Welcome to Start Building Me, the Rebuild series. My Rebuild series is where I go through every day and just give a quick highlight about, or summary rather, of my day of exercise and training and how it went. Not only to keep myself honest, but to show you people that it is possible. My goodness, it is possible with consistency, folks. So at the moment, on day one, let's get the ball rolling. So I have a weight of about 89.8 kilos, which is roughly 198 pounds for you Americanos out there. I have a blood pressure of 117/79, which is quite low for me. My urine pH is 5.5. My urine EC value is 8.59 ms/cm. I'll put these up on the screen and explain in detail what these are over time. But as I always say, what we're trying to do here at Start Building Me is monitor our performance over time, and that's what it is all about. So we're just collecting these datas in these short videos that I can put up for you and show you and explain them over time. So what am I doing at the moment? I'm doing a keto diet. So that involves virtually no sugar, pretty much no sugar if I have it my way. So for me, every day for the next few weeks at least, I'm going to be having 60 grams of protein, psyllium husk, olive oil, omega-3 fish oils, magnesium, zinc, vitamin C in the form of lime juice and lemon juice. I'll have some things like creatine monohydrate and N-acetylcysteine, some amino acids and supplements that I have in addition, which I will be doing videos with to explain why it is that I'm taking those ones in particular. On day one, I did a rock climb. I did a 32-kilometer cycle. That went well. I'll find that I'll do about a 30-kilometer cycle every day, and then maybe some chin-ups and some bits and pieces. In addition, I will always explain what exercise I did on that day, in addition to my Start Building Me stream, where I usually just do 50 push-ups and 50 squats to show people that, as I always say, consistency is the most important part of training, not the intensity and the duration. Mood-wise, let's just start saying I'm neutral, just to have a benchmark. I'm neither here nor there, so we'll say that's pretty neutral. Had a good amount of water, a good amount of sleep, always had a little bit of sun, which is good. There was a podcast from Andrew Huberman from the Huberman Lab podcast. Check it out. I might put a link in there. In fact, he said start off your day with 15 minutes of direct sunlight, no sunglasses, just on the lids of your eyes, or 30 minutes of exposure if it's overcast. Resistance training, cardiovascular exercise, which he alternates 3 and 3 per week. I'll do a little bit more than that just because, I really like it. Drinking water, staying away from your device first thing in the morning, no coffee until 90 minutes after you get up, which I will do, which is no big deal. And stay away from toxic people. Very easy for me to do since I am here isolated like a computer geek hermit that I am. Anyway, that's about 4 minutes. That's all I wanted to do. Keep it short and sweet and try and make sure that my sound isn't clipping and that we can get some of these videos off. And I'll try and put the data up on the screen so we can get the ball rolling. Like I said, try and refine it over time. Day one out of the park, whatever. Have a good night. See ya.